most complicated things or the concepts like cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, Stellar, Ethereum, Litecoin, all these things you keep hearing about will be explained easily today. So in this video, I'll be sharing my whole knowledge regarding what cryptocurrency is and its technology, and what are the different cryptocurrencies available out there. I'm sure that after watching this video, you won't be searching anymore about all these topics, because today I'm dealing about all these topics in a super simple, easy way so that 2-3 standard student will understand more easily. So let's get started. So hello everyone, my name is Sujal and today I'll be talking about what exactly cryptocurrency is and its technology, and what are the different cryptocurrency available out there. So before moving ahead, I want to say one thing, that if you guys are interested to follow me on Insta, then you can see my handle. And if you guys love this video, please do hit the like button and bombard to the subscribe button so that I get motivated to make such more awesome content for you all. So before directly jumping into the cryptocurrency, I want to make you familiar with the history of the currency or a money, that how everything is evolved. So when we talked about the history, one system comes in our mind, that is barter system. So in barter system, this system simply says that it is exchange of goods or services for other goods and services. So let us take an example to make you understand more easy. Suppose a farmer who have 20 kg of weight and he wanna exchange his 20 kg weight with a shoemaker in order to get a pair of shoes. So you can think that how 20 kg of weight can be compared with a pair of shoes. So this system was fell down. This because many of the time people's requirements coincides and there was no common measure value. So with this point, you can think about the example that how 20 kg of weight can be compared with a pair of shoes. So this creates a no common measure value. And there was also a problem of transporting goods and services. And when we talk about the modern currencies, the paper currencies, coins, digital wallets, credit cards, debit cards comes in our mind, right? And all these things are controlled by now, this means that there is a centralized regulatory authority that limited how paper currencies and credit cards works. Suppose you did an online transaction to get a form for a college, okay? And when you give that form to your friend, he is saying that he is sending money to your account. Now, assume that the transaction gets successfully, but there is a chance that it would have gone wrong, that it might be a technical issue in the bank, it might be that the machine error, or there is a chance of hacking of his account. So to reduce all this stuff, a new currency introduced, and that currency is called the cryptocurrency. People, be patient. I'll take you from scratch to the advanced. Just be patient and watch this video till end. Well, cryptocurrency is made up of two words, that is cryptography and currency. Here again, the cryptography is subdivided into two words, that is crypt and graphy. Here the crypt means hidden and the graphy means writing. Here the cryptography simply means it is a method of protecting information and communication through the use of codes, so that only users and receivers can see and process it. And if you still think that you don't understand what exactly cryptography is, then just remember that cryptography is secure information and communication technique. That's it. Now I'm going to tell you about what exactly cryptocurrency is. So cryptocurrency is simply a digital or a virtual currency that is meant to be a medium of exchange. Now cryptocurrency is just like a normal currency, just like it does not have a physical embodiment. As we know that we can see the normal currency with our naked eyes, but let me tell you that you can't see that cryptocurrency with your naked eyes, and you can't touch that cryptocurrency. Well, there are huge number of cryptocurrencies available out there, but one of them are the most famous, and that crypto is the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin was launched in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin is a type of digital currency, but it is unlike other fiat legal currency, the rupee, US dollar, euro, and so on. A currency is meant to be buy goods and services. But unlike normal currency, the Bitcoin is available only in a digital form. It is one over 4,000 cryptocurrencies available in the worldwide. Now let's talk about its technology. So blockchain is a technology on which Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies works. It's nothing but it's a sophisticated record maintaining system run by several users in a decentralized way. The blockchain is the technology that enables cryptocurrency to function in a decentralized manner. In its simplest term, it is a record or a ledger in which the details of transactions are recorded. Yet, it does have some specific features. I know that many of you don't understand what exactly blockchain technology is. So be patient. That why I'm saying this, because I'll be making part 2 of this video in which I will tell that what exactly blockchain technology is and stuff like that. Now let's talk about that how much cryptocurrencies out there. So there are huge number of cryptocurrencies are available in the market, and some of them are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Cardano, and many of the cryptocurrencies available out there. And in this, I already told you that Bitcoin is one of the most popular. And if you want to see that 1 Bitcoin is equal to in Indian INR, then you can see that it is around
33 lakh.
This much. So this is for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I want to say one thing, that be patient for the part 2 of this video, and on that part I will be discussing about the blockchain technology from basics to advanced, and I will also discussing about whether to invest on Bitcoin or not. And if you guys want to follow me on Insta, then you can see my handle here, and on that you can ask me anything related to programming, web development, crypto, and stuff like that. And one more thing, let me know in the comment section whether you got about the basics of crypto or not, just by writing I got it in the comment section. That would motivate me a lot in making more awesome contents. So have a nice day.